There's a few of you here that are not UK based, so instead of just doing autumn content, really heavy layers, I wanted to do something that everybody else on here can relate to, and that is styling a scarf as a core accessory. Hello lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Caroline for Calycious Loves. Whether it's freezing, whether it's hot, I think these are styling hacks that you will find in handy wherever you are in the world. So today I am using this 104 centimeter by 104 silk scarf that was gifted to me by my sister. I've been seeing quite a few people style their scarves more of like a waist accessory, not necessarily a belt, but a waist accessory, and I love it so much because it just gives you this lovely silhouette. I realized that growing up I saw a lot of Malawian women, especially rural Malawian women, wearing it, and they would just tie it around their waist, and they would keep things like money there, like important things when they go out, and also just to hold the outfit together. Basically, you just fold the scarf like so, like a triangle, and depending on how long you want it to be, you could fold it some more and just tie it around your waist. In Malawi, I saw a lot of women tie it like that, right? But I am loving the tie on the side. Voila, you've got a really nice accessory. You're styling your scarf multiple ways, and it gives you this pop to the outfit and a defined look, as well as looking stylish. Now in the UK, it's blazer season. This would be really perfect to experiment with your outfits, with your blazers. If you've got a black blazer, if you do have like a black on black outfit and you just want that pop of color. The second hack would be wearing it as a belt, like an actual belt. So you will fold it that way as a triangle, and then just keep folding it until you get your preferred size of a belt. So maybe somewhere there. And if you are wearing pants, like I've got denim pants on right now, you could then just loop the scarf through and then tie it at the front. I'm really bad with tying knots, so I just kind of like go with the flow. I'm not really much of a perfectionist, and that's it. Wherever you are in the world, whether it's summer, autumn, winter, spring, you can style your outfits this way by adding a scarf as a belt accessory. This is something that I normally use for dresses, and I want a defined silhouette. I'll just bring the scarf together, and if you've got a bangle, like a round bangle of some sort, use that. Mine has a hole here, which I was a bit worried about because I have tried it with a solid bangle and it keeps everything intact, but this one works as well. So you just sort of like put it in between and then pull. Do you see that? And I think this actually works better because I love the color of the bangle. It's not as neat, but you know, when you're actually styling it, you can perfect it. So you just pull and then tie it to the back, and this gives you like a high-waisted belt. So imagine you're wearing an outfit and you don't really want to wear an actual belt. You want to throw in something fun, something different. You've got a scarf, you've got a bangle. Why not mash it up together? And voila! How cool and fun. One of my favorite ways to style a scarf is by wearing it as a headscarf. I absolutely love it. I've got a big forehead, so this works really perfectly. It gives me that chic, cool vibe, Rihanna vibes. Does that make sense? Because I know Rihanna has got a forehead as well. And I started this when I was in secondary school. So I went to secondary school in Malawi, if some of you don't know. and we were not allowed to sort of like relax our hair or have a hair extensions. Everybody was supposed to have short hair. So at the weekend, when we want to style it up a little bit, look good, because we're pretty much in our uniforms Monday to Friday. So instead of just having our short hair on, we would wear our scarves this way. So you just obviously fold it as a triangle, and then you just tie it at the back like so. And then as a knot again. This is how I like to style my scarf now. Especially when I've got like a really bad hair day. Let's say I've got my afro on and I'm away for the weekend, and I just can't be bothered to start looking after this hair. So I usually do this, and it's just effortless and it's so cool. But in secondary school as well, we used to kind of like have a band around it. So you just make a really big band around the scarf. This one is kind of hard to do like a big band, but we would use like big scarves, and then he'll give you this massive round donut at the back, and it was so cool. And we would wear these large hoops. Oh my god. Those days. And when we style our scarves like that, we're like, yes, the weekend is here. We had nowhere to go, honestly, but it was just good to know that you look different from your usual Monday to Friday look. Does that make sense? Yeah, I really love that time. Or even in the UK, if it's really windy and you've got my type of hairstyle and you don't want your scarf to be cold, so fold it as a triangle. So you tie your scarf like so, right? And then you bring it in to the back, and then you bring the other layer out, and voila. It's giving rich auntie vibes. Wait, let me put on my sunnies. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. I'm the rich auntie that comes with the ice cream, period. I have actually done a video on how to style your scarf as a top on here a few years ago. I will put it here if you're looking to style it as a top, as an accessory on my handbag handle. And I chose this bag, statement bag from LK Bennett, because it kind of like picks up the blue in the scarf, and I just want a different pop of color to this handbag. So I'll just fold it. Yeah, I think maybe I'll make it even smaller. Just fold it to your preference. This is quite a long scarf, right? So I'm going to tie it a little bit. Just make sure that that measures equally. So I'm gonna come in here. So this will be hanging out. Mind you that my scarf is long. So if you've got a shorter scarf and you don't want it to be so long around the bag, then I would suggest that you get a shorter scarf. And my handle is quite short, but I'm just showing you how you can really diversify your styling options with a scarf like this. And then all you have to do is sort of like make it go around the handle a couple of times, so you're sort of like hiding the leather handle and making it look like the scarf is the handle. Now that we've come to the end, we just tie a knot as well as before. I now realize that I didn't measure properly with my scarf, because one is longer than the other. But you know, I think we could just make that look cool. Let's remove from this side and kinda add more to the bag. So trying to redo this side again. You could have them all hanging out if you like, or you could just tie the other one on this end to sort of like make it look looped in, and that's it. Obviously my scarf is big, so it looks massive, but if you've got a smaller scarf, I think that would work perfectly as well. My last tip with you is not something that I would normally do myself, but maybe this is something that you might find helpful. So what you do is the same with the bag. You just wrap your scarf around your headphones. Just fold your scarf and then wrap it around your headphones. So we start wrapping it around like this. I'm gonna tie it once everything is finished because I just want to make sure that I get both ends in and nicely. And I think this is perfect for people who always have their headphones on. At the time when I used headphones, I wouldn't always keep them on. I would only keep them on when I am listening to music. So let's tie that. So it will basically look like that. And then let's finalize this bit as well. Just make sure that the knots or whatever excess material is inside the headphones, not on the outer side, so that it just looks more stylish. And then you've got your headphones. Can even adjust them. And here we go. I think this would be really cool for DJs because, like, yeah, you're playing a gig, you gotta come through stylish, and I think this is perfect. Obviously the scarf that I've been using is quite big, so just make sure that whatever where you're styling it, make sure that the scarf is to the right proportion. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends who might find it useful, share with your music lovers, those people who love headphones. I actually have a friend who loves headphones. I'm definitely gonna send her this video and tell her that, girl, bring out that scarf and accessorize your headphones. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.